Hello guys, this is Ben from Crypto Addicts. Today I will present you the Smart BTC feature available with our trading bot Binance. Let's go! So what is Smart BTC? It's a standalone bot that will trade for you on the BTC price trend. Its objective is to secure your money in the event of a decline and to try to take advantage of growth. The objective is to accumulate USDT, and this is a tool for those who do not like the risk. You have to see the utility of the bot in the long term only, and that's how you will see profits. While some months are better than others, its long-term results speak for themselves. Trust him, your USDT portfolio will only get better. Here, for instance, you can see the results from June 2018 with a result of 50% in USDT or around 120% over the buy and hold situation. The bot is particularly good when the market drops, as you can see here. Where November had been a catastrophic month for the crypto market, here the bot is over 134% over the market. In other words, our Smart BTC bot has enabled us to ensure 134% portfolio growth compared to the buy and hold situation. Over the last few months, on average, the bot has traded 0.6 trades per day. You can therefore consider it as a medium-term trading tool that will allow you to make a profit over a longer period of time. Once again, I would like to stress that these results are long-term. Do not expect immediate profit, and sometimes the months will be negative. This is happening and there is nothing to worry about. Being a trader also means being patient. How to get our Smart BTC bot? First of all, it's included in our offers Basic, Advanced and Expert. Let's see how it works. First, you go to the CA Trading Bot Binance and write Start. Select Smart BTC for the proposed menu. The first time you see it, our bot will explain its purpose and functioning. You will then be asked for your agreement. Now click on the BTC USDT pair and then on Configure. For now, only the BTC USDT pair is available, but as we go along, we'll add more pairs, of course. Here are the options that appears in the menu. The first one, it's Start Position. Is the base currency on which Smart BTC will be based. You have to choose between USDT and BTC. This represents the current position of your portfolio. The percentage of balance. This will determine the initial amount for the first trade. The percentage calculation is only done the first time. Thereafter, the bot will always take the same amount in BTC or USDT for its trades. The balance calculation is done this way to facilitate the evaluation of the bot's performance. Each time you disable it, a new calculation will be made from your available balance. But when the bot is running, it will always take the first USDT amounts you trade. You can also, if you prefer, define a fixed amount that you allocate to the Smart BTC bot. The advantage with this option is that you know exactly how much you leave for the Smart BTC. In the event where the amount entered is higher than your balance, the bot will tell you that you have insufficient funds. For example, if you configure 1 BTC while being in position on other trades and you have only 0.8 BTC left on your Binance account, the bot will tell you that your funds are insufficient. Once the configurations are made, you can return to the Smart BTC menu and activate the API key specific to the Smart BTC. You will need to enter a second API key via the Smart BTC menu. In fact, the previously configured API will not be used with Smart BTC bot. You could technically use the same API, but this could cause some issue with the amount available if you are using the same account. Therefore, we advise you to open a second Binance account that you will only use for the Smart BTC. To retrieve your Binance API key, go to your Binance account. Then, to your profile, click on API configuration. Give a name to your API key, for example, Smart BTC. Then click on Create it. Then Binance will ask you for a double authentication. Once this is done, a confirmation email will be sent to you to access the generated API key. It will then be necessary to communicate to the Smart BTC bot the API key as well as the secret key to finalize the configuration of the bot. At any time, you can also disable the Smart BTC bot by pressing the disable button. Now you know how to use and configure your Smart BTC bot. If you have any question, leave a comment and I will be happy to answer them. I wish you a very nice day. See you soon!